All right, this morning we have Jacob with us, and Jacob made about an hour drive.
Yep.
Yeah, awesome. How do you hear about us?
Online.
Cool. Found us on YouTube or TikTok or something.
Videos, yep.
Right on. You've been watching these videos for a little while, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What sort of symptoms have you been dealing with?
A lot of tightness, upper back, some lower back, but in the shoulders as well.
Yeah, and you have had prior chiropractic care, but it's been a little while.
Yeah.
Yeah. And what did you tell me earlier about this area of your back there and your spine?
I felt like I needed an adjustment or a crack up here, and I went to several other chiropractors and telling them that my body just feels like it needs to crack right here, and they didn't want to adjust that part. So I'm gonna give this one a shot.
Yeah.
Give this a try.
Right on. And what do you do for work?
I work in warehouse.
Got it. So a lot of repetitive overuse.
Yep.
On a forklift, cranking the wheel, looking over your shoulder, back and forth.
No suspension on the forklift.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Got it. So you're excited. You're looking forward to this adjustment.
Yep. Excited, very hopeful.
Okay, that should feel snug. Okay, just maintain that breathing pattern. I'm gonna borrow your arms here. Bring your arms up over your head and kind of grip my hand there. Okay, in through the nose, out through the mouth. In through the nose, out through the mouth. That's perfect. Yeah, big breath in. All the way out. All right, keep breathing. Keep breathing. Takes your breath away. Yes, sir.
Oh.
Still kicking.
Yeah, I was not expecting that.
Where did you feel it primarily?
Oh, yeah, all the way down. That was, yeah.
That one's a little different than standard chiropractic care.
Yeah, a little bit.
That moved really pretty well, though.
Oh, yeah. I was concerned that there wasn't, I saw a couple where it said that he didn't feel it down. Oh, God, that was.
Felt it all the way down.
I didn't think he'd get lower than that, no.
Yeah?
I didn't think it was gonna feel as tight as it did, but when you put that one in there, I was like, okay, this is, I'm gonna be locked in there.
You're like, oh shit.
Yeah.
That's honestly is the worst part of this adjustment, I think.
Yeah, you're tight in there.
Yeah.